Hi everybody! I just got in my apartment and right now, I went to the grocery and the supermarket. So, I don't have work today. Tapos naman akong Mercury drugstore. We're gonna do a mukbang today with my ice cream. But before that, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First thing first, I got myself toothpaste and mouthwash. Perfume, my go-to perfume. This is actually one of the best perfume and affordable perfume na nasubukan ko. And it works well on me. And my foot powder, 3 kind of soap. Hair wax, moisturizer. That's it. So I got myself an ice cream, so let's do a mukbang. This is gonna be my reward for myself for working so well. By the way, you guys, nakapagupit ko lang. Look at my gupit. It's kinda cute for me, but I don't know sa camera kung okay siya. But yeah, let's open my ice cream. This is actually my go-to ice cream, especially kapag medyo sad ako. Ano daw? Look at you guys, like this is gonna be my coping mechanism. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga moment nung college ako na I'm eating an ice cream inside of the car of my parents, tapos having a great music inside of the car. That's different. But now, I am living independently here, paying my own bills, paying my own groceries and essentials, and now afford buying the ice cream. So fulfilling lang, cause I'm just like eyeing this kind of thing last year and now I'm living on it. Look. I wish I have someone here na fuck, nahuhulog yung buhok ko dito sa ice cream. What the fuck naman? Ito na siya. I'm gonna try it, you guys. Having the ice cream and the bread. And let's see if it works perfectly. Hindi na naman ako makakakain nito ng dinner. Anong oras na eh? Here is it. Ito na siya. I'm gonna try. Tapos fold mo lang siyang ganyan. It depends on you. On how you actually fold it. First bite.